So what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine the yam, the red onion, and here are some ingredients that we really use a lot in Africa. The piri piri, which is the dry chili that we blend. So basically we're gonna make a sort of no puree, because we don't want to cook it, we don't want to bleach it completely,
right?
But just have a little bit grainy, so in this case we can able to fry it as well. So we're gonna add our onion, and then we're gonna add the rest of the seasoning.
So seasoning with salt, sugar, and a little bit of the chili.
Bit, and then a little bit of dashi, and the key, the most important, I would say, this one, super important. So the texture we are looking for is like this one.
Okay.
You know? So now after this one, we're gonna hand blend it for 3 minutes.
So you're gonna whip the air into it.
Exactly. Yeah. So basically, this mix here is what we have here.
Beautiful.
So basically, like when we have it here, we're just gonna put it in the piping bag, and then we're just gonna fry them. So we're just gonna push through. We just basically push until it's completely full. All right.
Beautiful.
You can smell, right?
Absolutely, it smells incredible.
All the onion. The bottom gonna be like caramel, like a little golden color.
Yep.
And that's when we fill it, we're just gonna flip it the other way around a little bit. And from this process, usually we finish it on the small pan just to make the bottom flatten.
Okay.
So now we're gonna do our apple. So we're just gonna push it through here.
Okay.
And then push this one.
Like turn it almost.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So once you have them here,
we're
just gonna press here, like to make a beautiful disc. This is where we're gonna bring our second part of the dish, I would say, because we have the ojojo, the vegetable medley, and the apple. So in the vegetable medley, we're gonna have a cabbage, shallot, pepper, etc. So all this mixed together. So very delicate. You take it, just gonna put it down on top here.
Gorgeous.
So one bite.
Yeah.
For meal, couple hours of prep.
Yeah.